Hi, Mom.
Hi, honey. How are you?
I'm okay. Well, do you have a minute to talk?
Sure. What's wrong?
I'm really worried I'm going to lose my job if I take time off for maternity leave.
Have you talked to them yet?
No, I'm too scared.
I don't think you have to worry so much. Have you ever heard of family and medical leave?
No, what's that?
It's a law that allows you to take time off with your new baby and still keep your job. How many people work at your company? More than 50, right?
Yeah, definitely more than 50.
Then you should qualify. And you've worked there for more than 1 year and work more than 1,250 hours?
Mom, I've been there 2 years and I work way more than 25 hours a week. You of all people should know that.
Well, here's what I can tell you. You should contact Human Resources right away. You can ask for up to 12 weeks of leave, but I hope you have some money saved because you don't get paid.
What? I don't get paid?
No. What this law does is protect your job.
Well, that's good to know. And what about my benefits?
Your employer has to keep your health benefits exactly the same as they were when you were working, along with any other life, disability insurance, sick leave, educational benefits, and pension.
Oh, what a relief.
Hey, how you doing? I haven't seen you for a while.
I know, it's busy season at work and I've been putting in a lot of hours. I've been going in early and staying late almost every day. I feel like I'm barely hanging on. It's really stressful. I've used up my sick leave already.
Well, that's not good. What are you doing to take care of yourself?
What do you mean?
Well, you know we talk about this at the support group almost every week. How important it is to do things to keep yourself well. Have you talked to anyone at work about the stress you're feeling?
What? Are you kidding me? And risk losing my job?
I can understand your worry about that, but there are many things you can do. Have you talked to your therapist at all?
I've mentioned it. Why?
You might be eligible for additional time off under a law called the Family and Medical Leave Act.
Really? What do you mean?
Well, you won't get paid, but if your therapist says you need additional time off because of your bipolar disorder, even if that means reducing the time you work each day, you can ask for that time off and your boss has to give it to you.
Wow, we should tell everyone at the support group about this. This sounds great.
Well, the law doesn't cover everybody. You have to work for a school, a government agency, or a private employer with 50 or more employees. You also have to have been at your job for at least 12 months and work 1,250 hours, which is basically 25 hours a week. If you haven't worked somewhere long enough or put in enough hours, you don't get the benefit of the law.
What do I have to do if I want to use this?
Talk to your supervisor and tell her that you need to take a leave and the reasons why.
How much time can I take off?
Well, you can take up to 12 weeks, but you don't have to use it all at once. You can use it to cut back the hours you work each day, if that's what your therapist says you need.
I'm still afraid of getting fired.
It's against the law for an employer to discriminate against you or take negative action against you for using your rights under the FMLA. You can make a complaint against them if they do.
Hey Bob, what's going on? How you doing?
You heard my wife got injured while on active duty, right?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. How is she?
She's a lot better, thanks. But they're gonna be flying her back to the States soon, and I don't know what I'm gonna do.
What do you mean?
I don't know how I can take care of the kids and take care of her and still keep my job. I'm really starting to panic.
I know this is scary stuff, but you don't have to worry about your job. Have you heard about the new military family leave?
No, what's that?
It's the law that allows you to take up to 26 weeks unpaid time off to care for a service member who was injured in active duty.
How do I know if I'm eligible?
Well, Cindy's your wife, so you qualify there. There are more than 50 people in the company, and you work here more than a year, and you have put in way more than 1,250 hours. You're okay, you will be covered.
Wow, really? That's such a relief. That's one less thing I gotta worry about.
I have to tell you, you don't get paid during this leave.
That's okay. We saved some money and her parents have said that they can help us out too. The main thing I'm worried about is my benefits.
Those stay the same.
Then I think we'll be okay.
Do you want to go talk to HR?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for all your help.
No problem, I'm here to help you if you need me.